Gauge wheel arm wear and adjustment. As gauge wheel arms wear, they tend not to keep the gauge wheel properly positioned next to the opener blade. Proper gauge wheel arm adjustment is critical to avoid plugging of the row unit and deterioration of the seed furrow. Gauge wheel tires should be set while in operating position. Gauge wheels set too close to the blade will cause premature wear on the tire. Friction causes them to build up heat and become more susceptible to puncture and wear. Gauge wheels set too far away will allow dirt between the tire and the blade, causing buildup and plugging. Most planters have a recommended blade-to-tire clearance. Settings usually range from lightly contacting to a 1/16 gap. Refer to your user's manual for the proper setting. If it is difficult to maintain a proper setting on the gauge wheel, it is time to replace the gauge wheel arm and bushing. Threaded-style gauge wheel arms allow the gap to be set quickly and efficiently without the use of shims. To make adjustments, loosen the bolt holding the bushing and thread the bushing in or out to adjust the contact. When the proper setting is reached, tighten the bolt and recheck the gap. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or would like to place an order, please visit www.shoupparts.com or call and talk to one of our highly trained sales staff at 1-800-627-6137. Shoup Manufacturing, keeping farms running since 1977.